Hi everyone, in front of me I've got CUBOT Note 50 and let me share with you how to update the apps on this device. So let's start with making sure that you've got the internet connection it is required, and then let's enter the Play Store. You will be able to follow my steps if you've got your Google account added to the device. If you're not sure how to do it, simply check our tutorial. Of course, you can also add it right here, and then enter this circle in the right upper corner, which is your account. Now tap on Manage Apps and Device and tap on Manage. And here we've got the list of all installed apps, so let's simply tap on Updates available next to it, and there we've got all of the updates pending, which we can download. If you want to, you can mark all of them and download all. If not, just find those which you want to, for example 3 or 4 of them, mark them and tap on the update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see, your device will right now download the updates, and after that they will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So you do not really have to do anything more, just wait patiently. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.